President Trump, what happened with Chuck Schumer? Why did you cancel the meeting?
President Trump.
President Trump, why did you cancel the meeting with Chuck Schumer?
Good morning, Mr. President. Good morning.
President Trump.
What is the message? What is the message you bringing? What is the message you bringing?
What happened with
I'm going to push Zelensky for peace. President,
what's your message?
I'm going to push Zelensky for peace.
President Trump, what happened with Chuck Schumer?
Are you going to push
Why did you
Zelensky
cancel
for
the
peace,
meeting?
President Trump?
President Trump, why did you cancel the meeting with Chuck Schumer?
With us in the middle. Welcome. Nice to see you. Okay, yes.
Everyone's waiting.
Okay, let's go. Work together to confront some of the greatest threats in history.